sa akin.
That's ridiculous. Yeah.
And also, that's a soft boy. You know what?
I'm saying. So imagine, wait lang. Tanggalin ko na lang yung glasses ko. Imagine, kayo yung babae, tapos kayo na nga lang yung nagda-drive, tapos kayo pa nagbabayad ng food. Imagine that. Di ba dapat lalaki?
Man-child! Man-child!
That's really appalling.
Kung magja-jowa kayo, make sure mayaman yung lalaki. Kasi,
But the thing is, we don't wanna partner with boys.
Responsible.
Yes.
We're gonna partner with you.
pero kung magja-jowa kayo ng babae, make sure mayaman din like you guys.
Oh.
Para walang
Pero
problema.
mahirap sila!
Mahirap kami.
We are broke.
Mahirap kami.
Kung broke kayo, di ba?
Magjawa kayo na may ambisyon sa
We're-
buhay.
We're going to partner with those who are poorer than us, right?
Yeah!
No. So, break that stigmatism.
Can I have Shanghai?
So your past boyfriend didn't take charge. That's why you broke up with him, right?
At least, you nag-learn ka sa kanya.
Mag-English ka. I-English ka.
Tagalog na lang ako para
We
ma-understand.
understand you.
So basically,
Talaga?
At least you learn to your past relationship. Right?
Absolutely.
yes! Ako yung nakipag-break up sa kanya. Tapos alam nyo ba?
No.
Maayos na yung trabaho niya. Meron na siyang mga 4K monthly. Di ba? He never bought me a flowers unless I asked. So
4K.
the only time na bumili siya ng flowers nung nakipag-break up ako. So meaning, he had to lose me to buy me flowers and chocolates. So imagine that as a babae, parang like, oh shit, I had to break up with you for you.
Yeah, you deserve better.
Yes! Yes!
You deserve better.
Instead na lalaking mayaman ang jojowain ko,